Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Venmo account to the McDonald's app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Venmo account to the McDonald's app so that you can pay for some order. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the McDonald's app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Profile on the upper hand side, and then click on Payment Method. Next, click on Venmo, and then it's going to prompt you to open up your Venmo app so that you can connect your Venmo account to the McDonald's app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Venmo with the McDonald's app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.